Introducing Twixee, a next-gen coding bot that brings creativity, coding, and robotics together. Proudly designed and manufactured in India, Twixee is the perfect DIY innovation kit for young minds. With Twixee and its 3D printed parts, you can easily build a line-following robot or an exciting disc shooter right out of the box. You can create smart and exciting projects like a disc shooter, programmed to respond to movement, or build a line-following robot and control it wirelessly using our app. Simply connect Twixee to our Android app, available on the Google Play Store. The app has two interactive modes, Play Mode and Learn Mode. Play Mode: drive and interact with your bots like a game.
Yes.
Learn Mode: explore block-based coding and understand the fundamentals of programming. At the heart of Twixee is a powerful smart board designed with multiple inputs and outputs to connect motors, sensors, and more, giving you endless possibilities to build and innovate. Twixee also features a built-in rechargeable battery powered by USB Type-C charging, ensuring uninterrupted fun and learning. Want to build something unique? Create a windmill, an interactive gadget, or anything your imagination dreams up. Twixee is your tool to innovate. Need more connections? No worries. Simply add another Twixee and unlock even more possibilities. Not sure how to build? Our website provides step-by-step instructions and video tutorials to make assembling your bot a breeze. Plus, explore interactive learning content for each module. We have carefully designed and engineered Twixee for kids, ensuring a fun, safe, and hands-on learning experience that sparks creativity and curiosity. Looking for the perfect gift? Give your child the power to create, learn, and innovate with Twixee, where learning meets endless creativity. Visit our website to learn more.